Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa 1 in English, and now we're going to start a new video. I'm Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this new digital multimeter. This in my hand is a new digital multimeter. In this case, this is a advanced model that has a lot of functions. This is the box, and this is the model, MUD 50A. Now let's open the box, and here we have the digital multimeter. These are the test probe, and this is for temperature measuring. And this is the manual. Now we are going to use this and this. If we watch here, this is the selector. Like we know with other digital multimeter, here we choose the modes and then we measure. For example, voltage, frequency, and other electric and electronic things. And in this space, we connect the test probe that are this. This is very easy. Take this and connect the black here. In, come, introduce, press, and the red, we can connect this in this space or in this space, depending of the mode we choose here. For almost all modes, we must connect this here. Only for current measuring, we connect this in this space. Only for measure current. For all other modes, we must connect here in input. And this is the screen, and this button we use depending of the mode we choose with the selector in any of these points. Now we are going to measure voltage. For this, we only move the selector here. And now we are watching the screen. Here is direct current voltage. Now our digital multimeter is on. If we read on the digital multimeter screen some information like we're watching, here it shows me DC. This means direct current. Here we are watching the unit, millivolts, but this change automatically depending of the voltage level. The range is automatically in this mode. Now put the digital multimeter here. Let me see, put this here, ready. And now let's to take this little battery. This in my hand is a battery. In this case, the important information is 1.5 volts. If this battery has 1.5 volts or higher, this means the battery is good and has enough charge. Now, let's to watch this side is the negative and this side is the positive. The black is the negative, like we are watching. The black is the negative, touch here, and the red is the positive, touch here. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching on the digital multimeter screen 1.6 volts. This means it's higher than 1.5 volts. This means this battery has enough charge. It's good, it's working correctly. Because this level of voltage is higher than 1.5 volts. In this way, you can use a digital multimeter like this. This multimeter, if we read in this part, use 3 batteries like this. 3 batteries use like this. The battery is inside this part. For power off the digital multimeter, move the selector. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel, SOSA NASA 1 in English. Share this video, give me a like. Join like member in our channel. And see you next time. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.